that much and it watching starting the in this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities, offer, categories, and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location, and there is the nearby attractions and landmark also. A set of activities is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Accept major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is attractive and place love to enjoy the surroundings. Categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Numbers are available online for this property along with various plans and payment policies. You are able to review through the link provided in the description. The video till the end. So friends will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.